Hello viewers, Joyraj here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic squats for beginners. Squat is a very useful workout that helps you to burn calories and strengthen your lower body. It will also activate your glutes, quadriceps and hamstrings. For basic squats, we will first take the shoulder width stance apart. Now, I will push my hips back as if I'm going to sit on an imaginary chair. Try to squat down below your knee level. Make sure your knees are not coming forward and let it stay behind your toes. Also focus on your breathing. Inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. So this is a common mistake done while doing squats, where your upper body bends forward. Now keep your back and neck straight in one line. Look forward and continue with your squats. If you are a beginner, then do this workout of 10 reps for 3 sets. If you are an intermediate, then do this workout of 15 reps for 3 to 5 sets. And if you are advanced, do it as many reps as you want. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And cheers.